Hello, and welcome back. I'm gonna move this just so I don't bump it. Yeah, so I'm still working on these hands. You can kind of see that, like, I'm just kind of sketching out the muscle groups as best I can on the arms that I have made. So we'll see how that goes. So yeah, I'm probably just gonna play around with these. So they're slightly longer. So the nails and stuff don't fit correctly anymore. Oops. But we can fix that. Like so. There we go. Cool. And this section will need to be moved down a little bit, and we'll probably even move them so that they fit on this muscle here, this one here. But yeah, anyway, so I've got some reference for the arms, and I'm just kind of like blocking out as best I can the different muscles that are in the arms here, and then we can refine it later. So I'm going to okay. So that's so yeah. Just trying to think what's been going on. I think overall the new shape is good now, and with the change of the arms, it's good. So I think the only thing that I'm gonna fix is make the tail. So just this section of, let's grab that. Might as well just do it now. So we'll we might grab from maybe like here, and we'll just invert that, and we'll take this and we'll bring it out to I don't know, about here. And then we'll take this and move it up. Let's move that across and move this across. So at least those fit in, and then we'll put in some more paneling there. Cool. Awesome. Yeah. Alright, back to the arms. So what was I doing? This angle. So here. Okay. So we're gonna add onto this muscle here. This is really just so I haven't really done too much in actually adding muscle to a character. I think the so like my my basic technique for adding that kind of stuff is just like I don't know, say we want like this strands of the muscle to go like this, or if we wanted to put some detail in this muscle, we might say do something like that. And it looks pretty cool, but actually like filling this out so that it looks like an arm is hard, but we're getting there very slowly. So yeah, it's going to be a bit of a busy weekend, but I should be able to keep going with doing videos. So that's there. Okay. That's actually not looking too bad. I'm gonna add. So where is the elbow in relation to the bend? So that's where our arm's going to bend. So I'll just move that down a little bit. And move that a bit. Nice. Okay. So the elbow needs to be about here. I think that's the muscle it's going to be drawn on. Yeah, so that's there, so this is the elbow here. So I'm just going to mark it because we'll need a bit more geometry to actually draw it in. actually kind of, yeah. Something like that. Alright, so yeah, there's obviously a little bit to work on with the arms there, but you know, at least it's shown you sort of my process for it. They're looking alright. I think it's just the shape and some of the like weird bulgy parts that I need to work on. And the tail's lengthened, so we'll add some more things in there, and then yeah, we'll be good. Anyway, I'll leave it there. So hopefully you've had a good Friday and have a good weekend coming up, and I'll talk to you again tomorrow. Alright, cheers guys.